Hey everybody, I'm Alice from Bumbles Bake Shop. So excited to be part of Lacombe's Light Up the Night. And I just want to thank Lacombe Dental for the opportunity to be a part of this. So today we're going to make hot chocolate in a jar. Perfect little gift idea for somebody to give out, maybe to their teacher or their daycare worker or whomever. So simple craft to do. You take a jar. We've got 6 ingredients that you put in the jar. You can do it in any order you want. There's no wrong way to do this. I'm going to do it this way. That doesn't mean you have to. I've labeled all the bags 1 through 6. We'll start with the powdered coffee creamer. And open it up. Dump it in your jar. Again, no wrong way. There it is. Next, we've got some powdered milk. The cool thing is you'll start to notice that the layers are just a bit different colored than each other. Up next is powdered sugar, icing sugar. When you're working with real cocoa, you need something to offset the tartness and sweeten it up a bit, and that's what the icing sugar does. Then we've got pure cocoa. This is my favorite part because I like when the colors change. And shake your jar every once in a while to kind of even it out. But again, there's no wrong way. I think it looks really neat when everything's a bit different. We've got some dark chocolate chunks that are going to go on top of the cocoa. There's nothing better melted in your hot chocolate than pure chocolate. Okay, and lastly, we're going to add some mini marshmallows. You can add as few or as many as you like. You can eat the rest. As you can see, there's some left over. Those make for a good snack. And then your lid. And there you go, very simple. Now we're gonna decorate our jar, make it look even prettier than it already looks. Okay, so we've got some red twine. We're just gonna wrap around the jar. The end goal is that it look like this. I always start, you'll notice the bells. So I start with the bells in the front and I wrap from behind. Overlap, pull it over, and then cross it over. Tie a little knot. You just want a little knot so that it's in place because next we're going to wrap the candy cane. Take your candy cane, wrap it. That's what I do. Take your twine, the other side, and now you want to just tie it on your candy cane. Just like this. You can adjust your candy cane after so it sits straight or it doesn't, whatever you want. And just tie it. Move your bells over. Tie a bow. You can move your candy cane up or down, whichever you like. Move your bow in, and ta-da. You are done. These make perfect little gifts for your teachers, your moms or dads, your grandma or grandpa, whomever you're making them for. I don't know who wouldn't like it. When they go to use it, you just put about 3 cups of hot milk in a pot, dump your mix in, and this is enough for 2 fairly large size mugs of hot chocolate. Okay, so that wraps up how to make hot chocolate in a jar. Again, I want to thank Lacombe Light Up the Night and Lacombe Dental for sponsoring this activity for you all to do. And happy holidays from us here at Bumbles Bake Shop.